Hi dear Virgos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading from 1st of August till 10th of August. I'm sorry. And the roles can be reversed anytime. Please keep this in mind. So this is a general love reading. This might or might not resonate with you dear, okay? So let's start. Let's see Virgos, your partner's current energy right now is. What's your partner's current energy? Let's see. Let's see your partner's current energy. Okay, cool. Got it. Hanged man. So I feel like right now your partner is stuck. They are completely stuck somewhere. They're not able to move this side or that side or that side or that side. Completely stuck. Completely stuck. Might be they're stuck on you. But right now this person is not able to decide anything in their life. They are feeling like they're stuck somewhere and they're not able to come out of this stuck situation in their life. Let's clarify. It might be your energy. It could also be your energy. I don't know why am I getting this feeling that you are the one who is stuck here. Yeah. Let's clarify the hanged man in their current energy. Let's see. The world, the six of wands and the king of pentacles. Okay, so there's an ending here to something and now you are in the healing process. Now your person is in the healing process. So I feel like after this breakup with you, after this ending with you, there was a beautiful relationship between you guys, and after this ending this person is like trying to heal from the situation. This is a healing period. This is the healing card. The king of pentacles is healing card for me because it is mature energy, practical energy, earthy energy, and it is all about healing and going to a mature state of life. Okay, so this person right now is stuck on you. They are feeling like that everything is over between you guys. The relationship is over now. They are in this healing phase of their life. Okay, Virgos, that's why this person is feeling stuck. They are stuck, not able to move, trying to heal, trying to move, but not able to do that. This is what is happening with them. Okay, let's see what's your current energy, Virgos. Okay, this card literally jumped out for you. So the tower. You got the tower moment and you are still feeling the energy of the tower moment right now as well, right now, Virgo. So I feel like, yes, there is a definite breakup between you guys and you are feeling this energy. You are coming out of this energy surely but slowly, slowly but surely. Yeah, different thing. Yeah. Let's clarify the tower in your current energy. Give me a second. Yeah. Let's clarify the tower in your current energy, Virgos. Let's see. Tower is clarified by the tower, the fool, and the high priestess. Okay. So, Virgos, I feel like you are coming out of a tower phase. You are coming out of a very bad phase of your life where the breakup happened. You guys had a fallout, and you are just starting your life all over again. You are taking a leap of faith with the universe and you're trusting your intuition. You're just listening to your intuition, and your intuition is telling you, I feel like your intuition is just pushing you towards a new beginning. I feel like you're not ready for this, but your intuition, the universe is pushing you towards something new in your life, and you're not at all ready for this. But yes, this is happening. This is how it happens, right? Right, Virgos. I can understand. The Tower moment is bringing you new beginnings in your life, new beginnings in your life, new beautiful beginnings in your life. I can say. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you. You had a bad breakup, right? You guys had a very bad breakup. Ugly fight. I can feel like that intuitively, and one of you was completely silent and the other was very dramatic. This was a dramatic breakup actually. Yeah, so let's see, Virgo, what this person feels for you right now. Two of Pentacles. This person is juggling. I feel like this person wants to come back to you and they're juggling between yes or no, whether they should come back to you or not, whether they should talk to you or not, whether they should communicate with you or not. They are feeling confused and conflicted, very confused and conflicted here. Let's clarify the two of Pentacles and their feelings for you. Let's clarify. So it's like either they are having two options in their life, that's why they are not able to decide, or they are just constantly juggling between yes or no. And this is the card came out for you. For clarification, King of Wands, the Star could be dealing with an Aquarius, and the Two of Cups. Okay, so I feel like this person is still passionate about you. They are hopeful. They are very positive that again you guys are going to be in a soulmate connection. Again, you guys are going to meet and you guys are going to start this connection all over again, and there will be love and there will be potential in this connection. See, can you see that this person is still passionate about you? still passionate about you, still feeling like there's a positivity, there's a hope, there's a healing process that they are going through, that you both are going through right now. And there will be a soulmate connection again. They are feeling like this, and they are juggling between yes and no right now, whether to communicate with you right now or just, after some time. This is the conflict that they are going through, this is the confusion. Okay, cool. Let's see what this person wants from you, Virgo. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see. Strength could be dealing with the Leo here. This person wants you to come out of this situation and talk to them. Yeah, because I feel like you are silent. You are silent as fish right now. You're not talking to them, and this person wants you to come out of this silent zone, to come out of this zone where you are wearing a mask that you are really happy. I feel like you're just showing them that you're really happy and you don't give a shit about them. That's the thing. Yeah, that's why this person wants you to come out of this situation and feel the pain. Feel the pain. That's how you are going to heal from the pain. Yeah, let's clarify the strength card. Let's clarify. Ten of Pentacles, lovers could be dealing with a Gemini, Queen of Pentacles. See, this person wants you to be stable in your life, emotionally stable, and then again feel the love that you are feeling for them, that you are avoiding actually from a very long time, might be, and heal from the situation. See, I told you, this person wants you to come out of this conflicting situation, from this silent zone, and work on your stability. Feel the love that you have for this particular person, and heal from the situation, heal from this breakup thing, and come out of this trauma, come out of this phase where you guys were, not talking to each other, where you guys were feeling sad and depressed. This was the thing. This is the thing right now. Let's see what is coming towards you till 10th of August. Let's see, Virgos. Let's see. Magician. Okay, so I feel like there's a manifestation coming your way, and you are manifesting something in your life, and that is coming to fruition. But this manifestation is, let me see that. So there's something that is coming to fruition, and you're manifesting this thing from a very long time, might be. Let's clarify the Magician. Okay, and the potential outcome for you. Let's see. Ten of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands in reverse. So you are manifesting a happy family life, a beautiful relationship life in your life, and you are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy from your side. Now you are not going to act defensive as well. Okay, now you are going to talk to the person. Finally there will be communication between you guys, and you're manifesting this communication from a very long time. You're manifesting a happy relationship, you're manifesting a happy connection with this particular person. You are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy from your side as well, and you will not act defensive, or they will not act defensive. So what is coming towards you? A manifestation is coming to fruition towards you till the 10th of August. And I feel like you're manifesting a good relationship, a good connection in your life, and that is coming towards you. I feel like the past person, whomsoever you were connected and whomsoever you had a breakup with, this person is coming back towards you. And you guys will have a conversation, a communication again. Yeah. So thank you so much, Virgos, for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.